Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
你好嗎? How are you? 你好嗎? We use it just like how are you, especially when we're catching up with our friends. So it's more like casual greetings. 你叫咩名? What's your name? 你叫咩名? 名 is name. So 你叫咩名? What's your name? 我係 Olivia. 呢個係咩? What is it? 呢個係咩? Say you don't know what it is or what it's called in Cantonese. You say 呢個係咩? What is it? 你幾時生日? When is your birthday? 你幾時生日? My birthday is in January. Tell us your birthday in the comment section, please. 你住喺邊? Where do you live? 你住喺邊? 住 is the verb to live. So 我住喺香港. I live in Hong Kong. 我住喺日本. I live in Japan. And so on. Where do you live? Tell us. 你幾多歲? How old are you? 你幾多歲? 歲 is like years old. But it's not very common to ask people how old they are, especially female. Maybe for kids and elderly, seniors, you can ask them, 你幾多歲? How old are you? 你有冇去過香港? Have you ever been to Hong Kong? 香港 is Hong Kong, so you can substitute it with other country names. 你有冇去過日本? Have you ever been to Japan? 你有冇去過泰國? Have you ever been to Thailand? And this is Thailand, by the way. 廁所喺邊? Where is the washroom? 廁所喺邊? 廁所 is a washroom or bathroom. Very important question you need to know. 你幾多號電話? What's your phone number? 你幾多號電話? 電話 is telephone, but in this case, everybody understands that it means phone number. If you need to contact someone, ask for their phone number. 你喺邊度學廣東話? Where did you learn Cantonese? 你喺邊度學廣東話? Of course, now you have to tell people you're learning from CantoneseClass101.com. 冇問題, 冇問題 is no problem, no problemo. 你可唔可以幫我攞住個袋啊? 冇問題. Can you hold this bag for me? No problem. 有問題? Is there any question? 冇問題 is no problem, so 有問題 is there is a problem. But since it's a question, so is there any problem? 你 check in 唔到喎, 有問題? You cannot check in now. Is there any problem? 係真㗎, it's true. 係真㗎. For example, if someone tells you a secret and you don't believe it, and then you say, I don't believe it, and the other person will say, 係真㗎, it's true, believe me, it's true. 我唔信, I don't believe it, 係真㗎, it's true. 唔係你估, of course. It's quite a casual phrase, probably from a Stephen Chow movie. Stephen Chow is a very famous director, Hong Kong director, and there are a lot of funny movies, and he would say phrases that everyone catch on. Wow, you really become a policeman. 你真係考到做警察? 唔係你估, of course. It's full of confidence. 有冇搞錯? It's ridiculous. If something's not going smoothly, something's not going according to what they expected, they would say, 有冇搞錯? 唔好意思, 我哋唔見咗你個行李. Sorry, we lost your luggage. 有冇搞錯啊? It's ridiculous. 有冇搞錯? 咩嚟㗎? 咩嚟㗎? What is it? 咩嚟㗎? Usually we say with a very innocent voice. 咩嚟㗎? What is it? If I see something like this, and I don't know the Cantonese word for it, or I don't know what it is, I'll say 咩嚟㗎? What is it? It's a handkerchief. 係手巾仔. 錢 is money. Money 錢. 我冇錢. I don't have any money. 點解你咁嘅? Why are you like this? If someone suddenly changed the attitude towards you, you can say 點解你咁嘅? To find out what's wrong. Why the change in attitude? 靚 is beautiful or pretty. 嗰個女人好靚. That woman is beautiful. 正啊, awesome. For example, the airline decide to upgrade you to first class. So you say 正啊. We're getting upgraded to first class. Awesome. 正啊. 好. Good. Well. 我係個好人。I am a good person. Yes, I am. 大 is big. 你間屋好大啊。Your house is so big. 細 small or little, tiny, 細。我對眼好細。My eyes are very small. 長 long 長。長頭髮長頭髮。Long hair 長。短 short。我啲手指甲好短。Let's talk about me. Everything about me. 熱 hot. 今日天氣好熱。Today the weather is very hot. 今日天氣好熱。凍 is cold. 我唔中意開冷氣，會好凍。I don't like to turn on air conditioner because it gets cold. It gets too cold. And it's bad for the environment. Pang is cheap. When you go to a market, people will tell you to come over here, check it out. Things are really cheap here. It's like 好平啊，好平啊，過嚟睇下，好平啊。Things are really cheap here. Come take a look. 貴 is expensive. 貴，香港啲樓好貴。Apartments in Hong Kong are very expensive. It's sad. 難 is difficult. 難，法文好難。French is difficult. Je ne sais quoi. Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. 法文好難。
Hello. Hello.
So it's pretty casual and you don't use it for formal situation.
早晨. Good morning.
早晨. We use it to greet other people before noon. It's both casual and formal, so let's say 早晨.
早唞. Good night.
You say it before you go to sleep. 早唞, 早唞.
Bye bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, bye bye in Cantonese.
我係 I am or I'm.
So you can use it to tell people your name, your occupation, your nationality, anything. 我係。
你叫咩名? What's your name?
Say you meet someone new and you want to know their name. Say 你叫咩名? That is pretty casual. You can say that to people around your age.
點稱呼? What's your name?
If you're talking to people that are more a higher rank or older, elderly, you can say 點稱呼? 點稱呼? That's what's your name in formal situation. And then people usually tell you their surname. Say the last name is Wang. So 點稱呼? 我係黃生. I'm Mr. Wang.
好耐冇見. Long time no see.
Say you bump into your friend on the street. 喂，好耐冇見，得閒飲茶. It's like, hey, long time no see. Let's get together and have a drink or have lunch together.
你最近點啊? How are you lately?
Hey, long time no see. How are you lately? 好耐冇見，你最近點啊? Or it can be used casually with a friend. It's like, hey, what's up? 你最近點啊?
你呢? How about you?
In an exam, if I got a C, it's like, oh, 我攞 C. 你呢? It's like, I got a C. How about you? I got an A.
唔該. Please.
If someone's blocking you in the movie theater, just tell them, 唔該坐低. Please sit down. Don't block me.
多謝. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the gift. So 多謝 is for thank you, and there are actually two thank yous in Cantonese. 多謝 is when someone gives you a gift.
唔該. Thank you.
唔該, which you heard in please, so it means please and thank you as well. For this 唔該, this thank you, we use it when someone do something for us. Someone give you the change, someone open the door for you, pick up a fruit for you. You say 唔該 is thank you for the service.
唔使客氣. You're welcome.
So in Cantonese it's 唔使客氣. There's literally no need to be polite. You're welcome. 唔使客氣. So when someone say 唔該晒啊，多謝晒啊, say 唔使客氣. Just like that.
係 Yes.
你係唔係 Olivia? 係 like that.
唔係 No.
So 係 is yes, 唔係 is no. 你係唔係 Olivia? 係。你係唔係太空人？唔係。No, I'm not an astronaut.
唔該. Excuse me.
Excuse me, that is 唔該 again. So
We heard "mgai" in 3 situations: please, thank you, and now excuse me. So if someone is blocking a road, you can say "mgai, mgai, mgai," and then they would unblock. They will go away. If you want to ask someone on the street for the direction, you can say "mgai, 我想問路." "mgai, 我想問路." Excuse me, I want to ask about direction. "mgai," to catch someone's attention.
唔好意思 I'm sorry.
唔好意思is like I'm sorry, but it's for a really minor issue, like someone stepped on your feet and they should say 唔好意思. And I'm meeting my friends and I'm late, I say 唔好意思.
對唔住 I'm sorry.
For more serious situation, for a major failure, you use 對唔住. 對唔住 is our next word, and it means I'm really sorry. 我整爛咗你部電腦，對唔住啊。I broke your computer, I'm so sorry. 我唔見咗你個仔啊，對唔住。I lost your son, I'm so sorry. I can't find your son.
而家幾點 What time is it?
而家幾點 What time is it? What time is it? 而家 is like now. 幾點 is what time?
喺邊啊 Where is something?
嘟嘟嘟喺邊啊 Where is 嘟嘟嘟 You want to ask about the washroom. It's like, where is the washroom? 洗手間喺邊啊洗手間 is washroom.
即係點啊 What do you mean?
You can use it for many different situations. When you're mad, when you want to find out more about what the other person was talking about, all confused. So you can say 即係點啊 to show your confusion or frustration. Yeah.
幾多錢啊 How much is it?
Or you can say 幾錢啊 It's the same as 幾多錢啊幾錢啊 You went to Apple Store and you want to buy something and you ask 幾多錢啊 to ask for the price. It's always expensive.
埋單唔該 Check please.
Yeah, you use it in a restaurant. You can do this and they will understand. That means check please. 埋單唔該 Check please.
遲啲見 See you later.
And the last word is 遲啲見 I'll see you later. 遲啲見. And I'm Olivia from Hong Kong. Hope you liked the video. And if you want to learn more Cantonese, subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave us some comments. We would love to hear from you. See you next time. 遲啲見.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.